Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping skin quickly and precisely. Cleanse, moisturize, and press an oil-free primer into the face so pigments adhere. This prevents slipping. Apply a medium coverage foundation and blend outward with a damp sponge for an even canvas. Once done, target the T-zone with translucent powder, just a touch where oil appears, to keep contrast crisp. Make sure the base is matte in the center and subtly dewy at the perimeter. This contrast makes colors pop and lasts longer. You create high-contrast eyes by shaping first and intensifying later. Start by mapping the crease with a matte transition shade using short windshield wiper strokes to build a soft gradient. Next, pack a deep color along the lash line and outer corner, keeping the pigment dense, then blend only the edges to maintain contrast. Once blended, apply a light shimmery shade to the center of the lid and inner corner to catch light. This juxtaposition of dark and light gives the dramatic high-contrast look. You finalize the look by defining and correcting. Use a gel or liquid liner to draw a precise line. Tightline the upper waterline to deepen roots of lashes and anchor the contrast. Add volumizing mascara and, if desired, apply lashes at the outer one-third to lift the eye. If pigments smudge or blend too much, lightly dampen a cotton swab with remover to clean the edge. Then reapply small amounts of powder or shadow. This corrects mistakes without rebuilding the entire eye.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.